Kajabi, baby. Welcome back. This is Andy Brown. Welcome back to Never Too Old to Start, the place for retirees to learn how to make at least an easy extra 6 figures in income a year on the internet. All right. This video is part of our Kajabi tutorial playlist. Kajabi is my favorite online platform for creating courses for sale. Now remember, if you go to www.ntotskajabi.com, you can test out your own Kajabi account free for 28 days. Now, congratulations, you've created your first product. Now it's time to preview what it'll look like to all of your future customers. This is super easy and fast step, but very important. How does the product work in context? Now, click on the button to jump to the page so you can preview your product. So I'm in my Kajabi account, and then if you remember from the first video, I created this just to show you how to do it. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to build this with you. You are going to be able to watch me build my mini course tutorial for Never Too Old to Start, how to use Kajabi. So this is it right here. I'm in my all products. I'm going to click on this product. And this one was just to show you step 2. We created the product, and now I'm going to click on preview. I have done absolutely nothing to create this other than upload my logo. Edit details. Put my title in, mini course tutorial for profits using Kajabi. I put my description in, and I uploaded the video. I uploaded the image, Select image, upload a new file, and pick, and then save. And you are good to go. So if I go back to preview now, this is what I mean by how crazy easy Kajabi makes it for you. Look at that, everything is there. All right, in the next video, I'm going to show you a couple of tricks about how to customize, but that's for next time. So it's that simple. Understanding how your product works is going to help you build the context for your course. Next, I'm going to show you how to customize the look and feel of your page. It's so easy. NeverTooOldToStart.com. Subscribe, tell your friends, and let's make some money and have some fun.